In high-throughput logistics environments, every movement matters. Every crossing point is a decision. At one of Australia's busiest pallet sorting centres, thousands of pallets move each day under tight deadlines. As operations expanded, so did the complexity of vehicle and pedestrian interactions. Barrier Group designed, manufactured and installed a turnkey safety solution tailored to this facility's unique needs. Low-profile and custom-fabricated high-profile quadruple W-beam guardrail now create a defined separation between machine operators and moving vehicles, as well as accessibility around equipment. No-weld modular guardrail defines authorised pedestrian zones. The result is a safer, more proactive facility. Pedestrian walkways are clear and protected. Vehicle access is controlled. Staff move with confidence, and assets remain secure and protected. At Barrier Group, the focus is on designing safety systems that hold up under real-world pressure, not just inspection. That means working with clients to understand how their facilities actually operate. If you recognise similar safety gaps within your workplace, speak with a Barrier Group safety expert today.